Careful, my girl. Oh yeah, no, she's totally gross. She does that, she'll lick it a whole bunch, and then she'll rub her hair in it, like, on purpose. And she'll give herself like a thing. It's insane. Oh my god. You're so funny. Yes, see, I told you. Rubs the hair in it. I love you so much.
Did you get all of that?
You're so cute. Hey, bonk.
Oh my god, did you get all of that?
Yeah. There's no shortage of it. I can go. Baby, take two. Do it again. Yep. Hair. Rubs the hair in it.
You guys have to post this.
Oh, yeah, we will. Alright. Clean up.